Now is the perfect time to start canning meals to add to your pantry for busy weeknights. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 pounds of beef, some sugar, tomato sauce, bell pepper, salt and pepper, ketchup, mustard, and onions. You can use fresh, but I use some frozen. Start by cooking your beef and 3 cups of chopped up onions together. Once that's done, drain off the excess grease or fat and add all the other ingredients. So it's going to be a tablespoon of sugar, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Add as much salt or pepper as you would like to taste. A chopped up bell pepper. 2 cups of ketchup, one tablespoon of mustard, and finally 2 cups of water. Mix that together, bring it to a boil, and simmer for 10 minutes. Once that's done, pack into your pint or quart jars, leaving an inch of headspace. Once I was done, I had filled 7 pint jars. After you're done packing your jars, make sure to clean the rims, remove any air bubbles, and screw on the lids and bands fingertip tight. And you're going to can this at 10 pounds of pressure, 75 minutes for pints, or 90 minutes for quarts. And this is what they looked like after they were done. And if you were doing it for a larger family like ours, if you were going to actually use it for sloppy joes, you may want to do this in quart jars, but we're just going to use it to top potatoes, so we'll put it in pints. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.